seated. Pryn hon da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon. Welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan ydw, Cenhedlodd Prifysgol Gaerdydd. I'm Laura Trevelyan, and I have the great honour of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. The first thing I want to say to all of you is Longyfarchiadau! Congratulations to the brilliant class of 2026. Well done. We're going to be doing a lot of applauding, so that was just a warm-up. I was a postgraduate journalism student here back in 1990, and Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, lifelong friends and colleagues, and now the privilege of being your Chancellor. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given me, and I hope that Cardiff will underpin your lives in the way that it has mine. But today we are here to celebrate your achievements in 3 of our schools: the Welsh School of Architecture, Chemistry and Physics and Astronomy. Students in our Welsh School of Architecture have been challenged to think about the built environment, its impact on people's lives, and how it can literally shape the well-being of future generations. Those in our School of Chemistry have stretched their understanding of the subject from its place in our everyday lives to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. In physics and astronomy, you've explored the vastness of the cosmos and the fundamental laws that govern it. You now understand how the universe works and what it's made of. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you're ambitious, passionate, and you have a brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that brings. Thank you for everything that you have brought to your school and to your university. We're all extremely proud of you. Right now, although you don't know it, you're in a liminal state. But when you cross this stage in a short while and step outside the arena, you'll be a Cardiff graduate. We hope that you come back and see us often. More on the alumni community once you've crossed this stage. For now, though, sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. It's special. It will never happen again. All of you have moved, essentially, from childhood into young adulthood together. You've enjoyed everything Cardiff has to offer, from YOLO nights at the Students' Union to swatting in the library. And now you're going out into the world. Well done to all of you. Now, though, mein blesir gennyf gyflwyno Cynwyl ap Mervyn. I have the pleasure of introducing Cynwyl ap Mervyn. Cynwyl will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you will have seen Gwyneth's work on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre, literally the biggest poem in the entire world. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University's School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. The poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Cynwyl.
Education gan Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddi a feiddio gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol mentor o bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions, to scintillate but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institute, it's the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortened distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y datganiad, yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydded wybod I holl aelodau y Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrif ddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod wedi'w harchwilio'n byriodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi'w cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlo'n lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb I rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd I geisio trwy eu cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb. Ymdrechu am yr agoriaeth ym mhob peth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoethineb gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith ac wirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi gyd.
Shemai, I am Eve, your Vice President, Societies and Volunteering at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau. It's a privilege to be standing here today, celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is all about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Bristol, Bangor, or even Brazil. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, class of 2026.
Prynawn da, good afternoon. Ethro Windilana dwi ysgeng hethlo Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Windilana. I have the great privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all the students to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony that you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, cheering, or perhaps even a little bit of whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Toi ardurdod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfani a chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiaw a ddaw yn esgel llongyffaciadau. I will now introduce Professor Juliet Davis, Head of the Welsh School of Architecture, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Juliet Davis, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Oluwa Damilola Adenyaju. Edisa Andrea Akile. Raya Al-Saloom. Tuka Al-Sarayani. Narwa Ali. Mohammed Alisha Harawi. Faiya Amy Bennett. Kai Birch. Amy Caitlin Booker. Lewis Boy. Jasmine Jones. Emma Bauer. Sophie Britton. Isabella Britton Cooper. Thomas Brownlee. Sophia Bugissa. Amelia Campbell Kemp. Adrian Castro Kendrick. Sin Ching Chan. Chan Sing Ho. Ling Yi Chao. Ebony Joan Clement. Natalie Cooper. Oliver Kaup. Scarlett Cowley. Max Crowfoot. Valerie Inavov Tvetov. George Dadd. Ernest Marion Davies. Oscar de Bruyn. Naomi de Silva. Dila Diao. Jan Dogan. Ban Dogramachi. Amelie Elizabeth Drury. Alfie Elliott. Sophie Ellison. Leon Faisal. Jessie Fan. Zoe Fontana. Charlie Smith. Alsbeta Franikova. Melissa Fricker. Hannah Furnival, Rong Jian Zheng, Hanadi Ali Ghazawi, Josephine Giles, Anna Maria Gomez, Sienna Graham, William Hall Mutton, Dana Hamada, Khaled Hanafi, Ruhan Hamzi, Laura Hill, Lucy Hilton, Jasmine Holland, Toby Hope, Elan Howell, Sabah Humania, Tak Hung, Alexandro Yuan, Umun Jahazabe, Jaskaran Singh, Aniran Jenkins Belahorska, Madeline Jones, Jessica Joyce, Delvin Kamara, Sathvik Kandukuri, Azal Kasim, Shu Ting Lam, Cameron Leach, Wing Kelly Leung, Olivia Sean Liggins, Angela Lynn, Charlotte Lloyd, Beatrice Lockhart, Eve Lodge, Matej Luza, Michael Lee, Thomas Mahoney, Peter Manulov, Milo Martin, Luis Martinez, Arubi Mathan, Fanny Matutsevci, Isabel McGurk, Ianuloa Mofulasayo, Nicoletta Mumulidis, Jamie Murray, Fu Miat Zhao, Finley Mayat, Sophie Newport, Amelia Nicholas, Rosie Noel, Laura Nolan, Daisy Norman, Naomi Olotu, Bolowatito Onakoya, Ornella Ofenoff, Kwame Osai-Yeboah, Jessica Pallett, Li Hao Pan, Valerie Y. Pang, Arav Patel, Sophia Patterson, Jack Pitcher, Amrita Pius, Ian Plackett-Dash, Sweta Prabhakaran, Thomas Purdy, Anam Raza, Maisie Record, Thomas Rees, Sophie Roche, Max Rogers, Madeline Sadler, Alala Krupa, Emily Sandoval de Freitas, Sana Christina Saunders, Natalia Mercedes Schmidt, Amos Shami, Gabrielle Sharp, Mohammed Sheikh, Arjan Singh Sian, Tejwant Singh, Ekaterina Sinitsia, Claudia Sitars, Peter Smedley, Frederick Smith, Kwok So, Samuel Stevens, Imogen Stokes, Eliza Stoward, Lucy Stringer, Gabriel Sullivan, Lane Sweeney Bruce, Hu Sin Tan, Eloisa Tarora, Ayusha Tapamaga, Charlotte Tilney, Isabel Tilston, Kira Treliving, Ariane Varma, Larissa Valolescu, Lily Isabella Vitolo, Kunal Wadwa, Isaac Walker, Richard Walker, Laura Walmsley, Lilu Walmsley, Wan Arman bin Wan Nordin, Sophie Mary Wheeler, Lucy Harriet Whitehead, Aaron Williams, Amy Wilson, Grace Wilson, Chin Lam Wong, Yin Hang Wong, Harvey Ray White, Han Wu, Jack Ewell, Qian Zhao, Zekun Zhang, Jiayin Zhuo, I, Professor Juliet Davis, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Architecture. Nube Abasolo, Hannah Austin, Mohammed Awadallah, Amelie Grace Ball, Kohana Balodibala, Emily Bezic, Carenza Bone, Lucia Boschetti, Demirkan Boyukoglu, Bethany Clark, Ella Kuma, Molly Cummins, Alice Cuttress, Muhannad Darwish, Giuseppe Dendrella, Kenneth Dillon, Lauren Donahoe, Amelia Farman, Zenida Fernandez, Samuel Gittins, Mahika Goel, Thomas Goodwin, Charita Gowda, Ishika Gupta, Alice Gwyneth, Leo Hadlow, Rand Hamada, Miles Harris, Rachel Harris, Oliver Hall, India Hayes, Sophie Henderson, Inanna Heslop, Sophie Hilliard, Benjamin Hopwood, Eve Howe, Alexander Hustle, Suad Ismail, Shania John Poulet, Max Keeble, Joshua Kindlen, Rowan Kitto, Samuel Knight, Irina Kochanova, Eridona Kotai, Kuan Chie Lan, Finn Lowther, Dolly Marshall-Stevens, Diego Castrejon, Borislava Mekushina, Alexander Mewis, Thomas Modralisi, Leah Maruzi-Jones, Rohini Muthia, Antonios Nicolaou, Huria Nurmalik, Kehinde Olanian, Benita Onua, Heyu O, Jake Paisley, William Paris, Chloe Pitts, Amelia Rapaccioli, Hannah Rajai, Hannah Rose, Martha Spencer-Jones, Anastasia Stacci-Tiari, Ruby Staple, Iva Strong-Wright, Yunting Su, Harry Joseph Sutton, Maisie Sykes, Catherine Thorogood, Catherine Towers, William Underwood, Annabelle van Delft, Diana Vadmezdowska, Mara Wojcila, Nicholas Wade, Benjamin Waldron, Lily Waller, Samuel Watts, Joella Wilkins, Daniel Williams, Charlie Woollerson, Taegyu Yang, Oliver Yelland, Kimberly Yong.
I, Professor Deborah Case, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Joseph Abdul. Seren Aitchison. George Alexander Smith. Gemma Antinoro. Abigail Apio Hutley. William John Hume Atkinson. Kayla Amy Austin. Jyoti Baines. Amira Benishaw. Abigail India Besant. Rania Ahmed. Rania Busov Seya. Abigail Alice Brayford. Zoe Burke. Oliver Richard John Byworth. Laura Jacqueline Camporiale. George Allen Castle. Patrick Chan. Aidan Christian Charman. Lu Yang Chen. Yuk Lam Chung. Yi Lam Choi. Samuel William George Clark. Emily Coburn. Phoebe Innes Cole. Andrew James Cottrell. Philip Croucher. Jacob Orson Cunningham. Kian Dale. Nancy Dawson. Gabriella Dimitrov. Charles Robert Dixon. William Edward Douglas. Isabella Drexel. Kainat Ijaz. Isabel Goldsack. Samuel James Grant. Abigail Eleanor Griffin. Eve Halsey. Constance Hammond. Courtney Michelle June Hanson. Gabriella Oronoi Harris. Isabella Reese Illergan. Nikki Jafferji. Matthew Stanley Jefford. Zachary Johnson. Thomas Charles Richard Jones. Steffi Justine. Shrey Kapsiawala. B. Kaur. Maya Kendall. Grace Elizabeth Killen. Tariq Costas Kojawalu. Sabiraja Kumraisan. Jacob Lotier Byrne. Theothora Lazarithi. Joseph Leonard. Heidi Jessica Lewis. Chuck K. Lee. Yin Tung Nicole Lim. Riaz Limbu. Danny Lloyds. Moxina Macno. Ellie McEwen. Madeleine McPartlin. Harry McRae. Khalid Abdi Rahim Mohammed. Isha Nayar. Edward Newman. Alice Lavinia Nicholson. Michael Glyn Parsons. Sasha Brasseleur. Michael Allen Pritchett. Gian Ray Rabano. Matthew Piers Retta. Marcus Owen Richardson. Kian Roach. Tanzid Salek. Layla Shaw. Hannah Sheikh. Harrison Savenson. Marcin Slowinski. Alex Smith. Cameron Robert David Smith. Ollie Smith. Georgia Snelling. Megan Stanfield Marshall. Natnahel Tedessa. Atish Tharpa. Ben Thiron. Robert Elliott Turney. Mimi Scarlett Ward. Mia Gold Weatherhead. Luke Samuel Wilcox. Freya Wilson. Sam Yuan Shan Yu. Mili K. Yamape. Aifa Zulfa. I, Professor Deborah Kays, introduce those who received the degree of Master in Chemistry. Oluwai Shaun Aji Shafe. Ayman Al-Dawadi. Shuha'a Arai Saikairaya. Megan Jade Austin. William Bonsu. Reese Bunn. Torin Cayley. Naomi Calvert. Leigh Carlos. Simi Chakma Hawksworth. Jamie Churches. Laurie Dash. Harry Davies. Thomas Denbury. Noah Jean-Paul Pierre de Villa. Mena Maria Laura Elena Diaz Nyang. Ella Elizabeth Evans. Yasmin Gady. Barnabas Gordon. Edward Brian Gushlow. Marissa Kyrene Head. Abigail Hill. Oscar Frederick Holm. Ayub Iman. Thomas Jeans. Rose Lafan. Binda Liu. Elias Maiden. Sophie McCammon. Sarah Milleri. Caitlin Huia Neem. Matilda Ann Peat. Jake Pettit. Lion Rumzi Esmail Nasir. Dreamiel Cherry Pitak. Samuel Pichillo. Cindy Priyanka Dillon. Will David Reeves. Evelyn Spall. Elise Erin Ann Spencer. Olivia Rose Summers. Emma Louise Swift. Alexander Scott Tebbs Ratherham. Rafaela Cara Thompson. Ben Webb. Daniel Williams. Joe Whites.
I, Professor Hayley Gomez, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Dave Agarwal. Yusuf Al-Ghora. Josephine Ali. Matea Anyadota Bjorklund. Charlotte Brown. Isaac Jonathan Carlisle Clark. Megan Cooper. John Lloyd Cummings. Veronique Glass. Diana Victoria Gregory Barrera. Milo Harding. Lucy Haslam. Jacob Hepworth. Jensen Hobbs. Joseph Oliver Holmes. Scott Houghton. Mohammed Yusuf Iqbal. James Key. Jonah Cullen. Nigel Leatherland. Billy Lewis. Lauren Liddell. Jamie Louise Lindsay. Ailis Gwawa Lloyd. Ryan McDonald. Erin Tan Mentosh. Thank you. Ria Monsi. Aidan Thomas Moore. Thomas Orvard Morgan. Ansab Akbar Ali Padia. Joel Palmer. Marley Kai Palmer. Mohit Patel. Milpreet Singh. James William Slater. Vedant Solanki. Alina Amelia Wallace. Veronica Volkovich. Juliet Honey Walton. Stanley William Waring. Abigail Warman. Sondrine Wigham. Zach Thomas Wilkinson. Samuel Woodin. I, Professor Hayley Gomez, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Physics. Oliver Baker. Elliot Batten. Joel Aidan Buckeridge. Thomas Patrick Burke. Caitlin Laura Kutzer. Bonnie Abigail Collins. Jonathan Christopher Cook. Joshua Coombs. Benjamin Rory Harris Davis. Harvey Samuel Dean. Yestin Howell Deer. Lucian Ellicott. Bryce Ernest. Sophie Fraser Lewis. Mariam Garni. Andrew Graves. Courtney Hemrow. Aliyah Hoda. Henrik Holm. Jakanadun Patrick Izijuno. Phoebe Kitchener. William Langdell. Johan David Lewis. Rhys Evans Lewis. Ethan McCormick. Daniel Molchanov. Shimon Pientka. Joshua Pittaway. Sean Anir Roberts. Chuck Kieran Allen Stevens. Thomas Taylor. Ashton Kai Varney Jones. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Toi ar dyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybannech chi y gael eich dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol. Llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Mariam Alihariam. Theo Moray. Adam Hogan. David Hughes. Madeleine Gabriella Rogers. Eloise Elizabeth Sparks. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Ellie Mae Appleton. Simone Dixon. Udemy Abasahi Godwin Emma. Simal Perk. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Gautam Adhikare. Anatal Nel Seema Agawal. Wisal Fahad A. Alorwathi. Tagrid Mohammed Abdul Balu. Sumdata Basu. Maisie Rebecca Bees. Charlotte Blakey. Thomas Blacksell. Stephen John Broad. Connor Bryan. Pamela Chavez Padilla. Pranusha Combatore Venkata Ravi. Amelia Colombo. Rhys Joseph Kopner. Kieran Cormecan. Victoria Corner. Dipali. Uday Dawahotka. Kate Doyle. Jack Easton. Mohammed Hazid Farouk. Noah Joseph Goodwin. James Hughes. Fana Ishruk. Sorali Jugdale. John Jenkins. Matali Kapoor. Mohammed Ahmed Khan. Kirthi Kumar Chitra. Gareth Lau. Yukung Lee. Adesha Malik. Philippos Maranath. Sean Marie McKirk. Jack William McLaren. Lewis Callum Mead. Muruki, Linda Mwanja Muruki. Masood Nakuda. Matthew Nesbitt. Jimit Panchal. Jenna Parkinson. Ellis Pitcher. Raghav Nasharara Ponagranti. Aishwara Rajiv. Sukani Roychodru. Gabrielle Chinel. Deepsi Suresh Shah. Anisha Shalini Subramaniani. Pranav Avinash Shinde. Swaraji Sunil Shiroda. Stylianos Spiru. Mohammed Ashwa Swale. Hindra Thathad Nandath. Elizabeth Mary Todd. Ranjip Vinajarara. Jacob Oliver Isambard Wakely. Julie Westvick. Madeleine Sinclair White. Luke Arthur William Wilkinson. Yutong Zheng. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ardyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybanech chi y gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Nur Nasura Binti Abd Salam. Dr. Tariq Nahar Al-Zani. Dr. Fahad Fayyad Al-Harbi. Dr. Rojan Ali. Dr. Ibrahim Salel Al-Haybari. Dr. Nuf Ali Mubarak Al-Nadi. Dr. Nusaibai Bandar S. Alotabi. Dr. Albir Al-Quaid. Dr. Jordan Barber. Dr. Ben Bainton. Dr. Luke Samuel Booth. Dr. Anna Katharina Bugert. Dr. Otapon Chachawanyu Tikun. Dr. Amit Chowdhury. Dr. Matthew Dickerson. Dr. Owen James Evans. Dr. Sam Gavin Pitt. Dr. Hannah Hussein Gaiman. Dr. Kamal Sami Haddad. Dr. Lewis Hatton. Dr. Jasmine Hind. Dr. Alexandra Rose Ibbott. Dr. Awan Dof Jafar. Dr. Ben Jacobs. Dr. Oshan Wynne Jones. Dr. Mena Kwasem. Dr. Sam George Lewis. Dr. Kaiwen Lee. Dr. Hussein Ali Mashi. Dr. Brandon Marshall. Dr. Liam McGrath. Dr. James Micklejohn. Dr. Hajer Misabin. Dr. Terry Priest. Dr. Athira P. Somasundaran. Dr. Maron Quinn. Dr. Max Elliott Quayle. Dr. Ben Salmon. Dr. Shubna Singh. Dr. Eve Tarring. Dr. Madeline Becker Thorne. And Dr. Freya Turley. Dr. Juan Fernando Uzbilga Narvez. Dr. Jerry Wang. And Dr. Lancelot Ju Zhu. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Toi ar dyrod a raddoed y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfani a chi a gael eich dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol. Llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Prynhawn da bawb. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Professor Carenza Hood, Dean of Research and Innovation from the College of Biomedical and Life Sciences. We've come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales and the world. Today we recognise Dame Kate Bingham with the award of an honorary fellowship. Her success is part of your day's success. Dyma gyfle I nodi ein hegmygegydd, ein balchdir a'n diolch wrth gyflwyno cymrodoriaethau a graddau anrydedd. Dame Kate Bingham's career spans more than 3 decades at the intersection of science, investment and public service. As chair of the UK Vaccine Task Force in 2020, Kate led the UK's efforts to find and manufacture a COVID-19 vaccine. She assembled a team of scientists, industry leaders, and government officials to secure vaccines for the British public, and under her leadership, the UK became the first Western country to approve and deploy a COVID-19 vaccine. But Kate's impact doesn't end there. As managing partner at SV Health Investors, Kate has spent over 30 years building biotech companies across the world. She spearheaded the creation of the Dementia Discovery Fund to accelerate research into one of the most challenging diseases of our time. Her biotech investments have resulted in the launch of numerous first-in-class drugs for the treatment of patients with inflammatory and autoimmune disease and cancer, giving people with these conditions better lives and, in some cases, more time. Kate's achievements have been recognised with the highest honours. Kate was appointed Dame Commander of the Order of the British Empire in 2021. She is also an elected Honorary Fellow of the Royal Society, the Academy of Medical Sciences, and the Royal Academy of Engineering. Alongside her work, Kate's life is one of balance. At weekends, she retreats here to Wales, where she rides horses and mountain bikes, grows vegetables, and competes in bog snorkeling competitions, which we host the World Championship here in Wales. Kate's story shows us what's possible when expertise meets purpose. Let that act as an inspiration to you all as you stand at the edge of your own futures. I will now present this distinguished individual who is to be awarded an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University. So, I've got to say something first. Is ganhellwr cyflawni fi chi y rai sydd i'w derbyn y gymrodir anrhydedd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Dame Kate Bingham to be accepted as an Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University.
It's not official yet. It's not official until I say it in Welsh, so let me say it in Welsh. Toi ardydod a raddwyd y mi Cenegengor. Dybaniach chi fel Cymraeg a Enrhydd Prifysgol Caerdydd. Congratulations, llongyffaciadau, Kate.
Thank you, Vice-Chancellor. Chancellor, graduates, congratulations, families and friends here today. It is a uniquely exciting experience to be with you here today and to join you here in Cardiff. As was said, Wales has shaped my whole life. I got married in Brecon. My home, south of Builth Wells, became the vaccine headquarters during the pandemic, and the Welsh Hills kept me sane through some of the hardest months of 2020. But I'm not here actually to talk about me. I'm here to talk about what this university does. I've spent more than 30 years now in biotech, backing science that some people think is completely mad. 90% of drugs will fail in clinical trials, but every so often, a crazy idea becomes a medicine that changes a life. So that ambition, turning discovery into treatments that actually help patients, is exactly what I see in Cardiff. The Medicines Discovery Institute here worked out how chemical signals in the brain go wrong in psychiatric disease, and they set out about doing something to try and fix that. There has been no real advance in treating depression since the 1960s, and yet Cardiff is helping to change that by building a new company that it's been spun out to develop new medicines. And that company, fittingly, is called Draig Therapeutics, and for those who don't speak Welsh, that means dragon in Welsh. So Draig is now running 2 phase 2 studies in treatment-resistant depression. Next year, we'll know whether the drug works. But that did not come from playing it safe. It came from people who looked at an intractable problem that others had given up on and decided it was still worth trying to solve it. And that is the lesson, and that's why I'm really here. The Medicines Discovery Institute and DRIGE are what purpose looks like in practice. Not a slogan, but years of hard, unglamorous work on a problem that really matters. Not certainty, but persistence. Not guarantees, but conviction. And to the graduates, the road ahead will not be straightforward, and much of what you try won't work the first time. But the opportunity is immense, and it belongs to people willing to back worthwhile ideas against the odds, to get up again when they fail, and to choose purpose alongside ambition. You don't have to look far from proof. Cardiff has shown you what is possible when talented people commit themselves to something larger than themselves. Now it's your turn. Thank you for this honour. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you, Kate. Thank you, Kate, and I hope that you'll take her words to heart and commit yourselves to something bigger than yourselves and show persistence. And as Kate said, you will fail, but it's okay. In the meantime, to our graduates now, Llongyfarchiadau. Dych rhan o gymuned Prifysgol Cynfeirwyr Caerdydd. Congratulations. You are now part of the Cardiff alumni community. Woo! So, Cardiff alumni stand out. Some are very high profile, some are quiet, low-key, well-informed contributors to their communities. All of you will find your own path, but I know that you'll make a difference. Virginia Woolf is one of my favourite novelists, and she said it best. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. Because Cardiff has given you more than a degree, you've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. In a world where that dreaded, or those dreaded two words, artificial intelligence, are changing the workplace so rapidly that it's hard to keep up, you have real intelligence, critical thinking, which is going to stand you in good stead. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you will develop that special sense of cynefin, meaning a place of belonging. So as part of the Cardiff University alumni community, please come back often and tell us what you're up to. On Friday night, more than 1,000 alumni will be here at Cardiff in Graduation Gardens for our first ever big reunion weekend, renewing friendships and reflecting on how Cardiff has shaped their lives. I want your alumni community to be a social and professional network which is with you forever, so that reunions here are something that you look forward to as benchmarks for your lives. I'm inviting you, the great Cardiff class of 2026, to come back here next year for the first anniversary of your graduation. You're welcome every year, of course, but we'll make a big fuss of you in 2031, the 5th anniversary of your graduation, in 2036, your 10-year anniversary, and hopefully you'll all be back in 2076 for your 50th reunion. I won't be here, but I hope you have a fantastic time. Please, in the meantime, volunteer, put yourselves forward as a class of 2026 ambassador, help organise next year's reunion. I'll be here to welcome you. Before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff tradition we must uphold. While today is all about your achievement, I think you'd all agree you didn't do it by yourselves. You've been supported by your family, by your friends, and your lecturers throughout your degree. So please, new graduates, stand up, and turn to face your loved ones. Are you ready? Everyone in this arena made a lot of noise for you. Now it's your turn to say thank you. Louder. Nice job. Diolch yn fawr iawn. You may be seated. All I can say is llongyfarchiadau i chri Raddodigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations to you, Cardiff's newest graduates, and congratulations to those who helped get you here. To close our celebrations, here is a film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy it, and at the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today, and one last time, llongyfarchiadau to the brilliant class of 2026. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare, Aberconwy, I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmod nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.